Let's go for a ride in the 90. We can't go far, we can only go up the hill, because it's not inspected or plated. No power steering. No viewing. Bleeding the clutch out worked lovely, it's absolutely fine now. Power steering! This car's got hidden power. Don't know where it is though. Light doesn't work. Test the brakes. Just test the handbrake. You're not supposed to do this. That's alright. It's on a loose road, so it's not too bad. There you go. It's not too bad for noise. Like you say, it would have been nice to take it on the road where I haven't got train plates. The windows are rattling properly, that's good, I like that. Let's drive it on this strip to the end of the road. Something. I bet you, apart from hills, I bet you it'll tilt along quite nicely. I have to watch it here because I'll never turn in. There's a buoy down here. Turning circles like that with the Titanic. Oh no, it wasn't. There's bullies at that side. Advantage about being on a quiet road. Like one of those Harrier jump jet takeoff points. Right, let's go for it. Let's see if we can get up that hill a bit quicker. It's alright. There's not much fuel in the tank. I thought it was 20 litres, but it's 10 litres. You can see the needle moving. Temperature gauge is smack in the middle and it's had some stick up and down this road. So you know, it wouldn't take a great lot to put it through inspection. There's no smoke out the exhaust. Burning nice and clean, you know. Well, it drives alright. The seat position's a bit awkward, it's like you then push right so far forward. Right. pull this next to the B38 two wrecks together. We may fall in love and make a discovery. What's it start like when it's hot? Can't fault it when it's hot. Even when it's cold it starts really well. I don't know if any of this machinery is working, it just doesn't seem to be doing anything. Anyway, that's it. You can come pick it up now. See you later. If you were wondering what all the rattling and banging was, I've got two gearboxes, two transfer cases in there, the gearbox and the parts of a gearbox, and this damn thing here. A bloody padlock which we haven't got the key for. That's annoying. Anyway, I just thought I'd fill you in to see where that additional noise was coming from. Alright, talk to you later. Bye.